Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an exquisite property that sits on 17,936 square feet. It is the perfect family home with breathtaking views of the Kingston and St. Catharines Plains. It is located in the upper echelon location of Plantation Heights, St. Andrew. This house boasts floor space of 10,000 square feet and speaks to everything grand. The house overlooks the city with endless views from the pool and any of its many balconies. This property is right for a large family or even an extended family, having 7 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. This is enough space never to feel cramped whilst having everyone under one roof. The kitchen has commercial grant appliances, and definitely there is no lack of space. Prepare the Christmas dinners, Sunday evening puddings in comfort. There is a beautiful dining and living room, gym space, as well as backup water tank. The laundry room and helpers' quarters are also well appointed. It's not every day you see a house of this grandeur, but when they do come on the market, the possibilities are endless. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $980,000. Our Jamaican $150.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.